In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Trello board in just 5 minutes. This quick guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can take your Trello tasks and information wherever you need them. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look towards the upper right corner where you'll see the login button. Give that a click. If you're new to Trello or have logged out recently, you'll need to sign in. You have several options for logging in here, whether you prefer using Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack, or even your email address. Trello makes it straightforward and convenient for you. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to open the board you wish to export. Look through your options in your dashboard and click on the board that you want. Once the board is open, you'll notice 3 horizontal dots in the upper right corner. These dots represent a menu option. Click on them and a list of options will appear. Among them, you'll see Print, Export and Share. Select this option and get ready to export your data. Now, as you think about exporting your board, you have a couple of choices regarding format. Each format serves different purposes based on what you ultimately need to do with your Trello data. So let's go over these options. One popular format is CSV, which stands for comma separated values. This format is perfect for those who want to export their Trello board data into a spreadsheet where you can further manipulate or analyze it. However, note that exporting in CSV requires Trello Premium, so make sure you have access to that feature. Alternatively, if your preference leans towards a structured text format, then JSON is the way to go. JSON works well for those wanting to share data in a highly structured format, which is often useful for developers or for integrating your data with other applications. Lastly, if you're aiming for something more visual or print friendly, you can export your board as a PDF. This option turns your board into a document you can easily print or save for reference, making it ideal for sharing across teams or reviewing offline. And there you have it. In a short amount of time, you've learned how to export your Trello board effortlessly. Whether you need a spreadsheet, a structured text file, or a printable document, Trello provides a solution to meet your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any other questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials.